Hey everybody, Abel here from TechNave. We're gonna do an unboxing of the Honor Play Player Edition. Let's get to it! So right off the bat, this Player Edition is actually no different from the standard edition right here. Both have the same Kirin 970 chipset, 4GB of RAM, same dual camera, same GPU turbo, and same everything else. What's the difference? This looks way more cooler, yo, check this out! We also got some exclusive PUBG Mobile stickers right here. And we got the iPad Guy 9087 game tag controller. So cool, man. Damn son, I want this now. So the way you slide it in is you're gonna just put the phone right here. Gonna stretch out a bit. Okay, there you go. Wow, this thing really stretches. Can you see how far it stretches? So as you can see, this game controller has everything what a game controller needs. You have two analogs right here, with the X, Y, and A, B buttons right here. The start button, arrows button, and of course the click buttons right here, R1, R2, and L2 and L1. Alright, so let's go! Okay guys, so that's all about the Honor Play Player Edition. You can get this baby for 1,299 ringgit only, including this gamepad and the exclusive PUBG Mobile stickers for free. You can get this bad boy on Shopee and HighHonor.com from 7th September onwards, so don't miss this. And we see you guys next time. Abel out.